We're very happy to inaugurate the 84th annual Mahotsav of the Bhagavatamela Natya Nadaka Sangam, and we are delighted to have Dr. Sandhya Purecha ji to inaugurate this event. Dr. Sandhya Purecha is exemplified as India's foremost performing academician, dancer, choreographer, author, scholar, and a researcher. Bharata College of Fine Arts and Culture, the only dance college that is actively immersed in classical dance, affiliated to Kavi Kulaguru Kalidas Sanskrit University, is Dr. Sandhya ji's brainchild. An authority on classical dance and Sanskrit, she is affiliated to several universities, offering her expertise as an expert advisor on the Academic Council and Board of Studies. We are extremely happy to welcome her and take this opportunity to honor her on behalf of the Bhagavatamela Natya Nadaka Sangam. I request Srimati Geeta Balaraman to come and honor Dr. Sandhya Purecha ji. தாராளமாக கை தட்டலாம்னு நினைக்கிறேன். நன்றிகள் பல.
I thank our very dear Sandhya ji on behalf of the entire Bhagavatamela team for coming down from Delhi and inaugurating this year's 84th year Bhagavatamela festival. Thank you very much.
May I request Dr. Sandhya Purecha ji to say a few words and inaugurate this year's festival.
Namo Namaha. Actually, I'm overwhelmed and speechless seeing the whole atmosphere. I was asking Annanji, this is the same lane, right? This goes this right side, this goes this left side. Remembering my Guruji and remembering the parampara, remembering the heritage. And I'm very happy that Paduakka and Kannanji actually forced me. That you come, be part of it, be part of this Kala Dharohar, be part of this parampara. 84 years they are doing this. And it really touched me. We all have heard or studied. In any college you go, or fine art college, performing arts or college, they all will learn Mela Tour Bhagavat Mela. But to experience this, I think I'm the most luckiest person that I'm part of this today. And it is just not an easy task to preserve and promote and protect and nurture such a tradition, which is considered the only surviving link in Tamil Nadu that connects with the theatre, Sanskrit theatre. Bhagavat Mela has originated during the 15th century, during the Bhakti movement. And it is indeed heartening to see this celebrating this day. it is also commendable that the artists have been performing this for past 83 years, generation to generation. Various themes based on Srimad Bhagavatam, Puranam, and on the composition of Venkata Shastri ji. Me being a Bharatanatyam dancer and a Natya Shastra student, I was always fascinated about the Sanskrit theatre, about the Bhagavad Mela Natakam, because we have learned one very beautiful shloka, Natat Jnanam, Natat Shilpam, Nasa Yoga, Natat Karmam, Nasa Vidya, Nasa Kala, Natat Yoga, Natat Karmam, Yan Natyasmin Na Drishyate. And when we say this is a theatre, a complete theatre, following the rules and regulations of Natya Shastra. And this have been performing without any remuneration, right? Yeah, without any remuneration from last 83 years. I was just asking one more thing. Who is managing the finance of this performance? He said, God himself, that's all. And it's the Kumar and it's the family, head of the family who wants to do it, who wants to continue this parampara, this dharohar. So I really feel and I congratulate Kalaimamani S. Kumarji for having this leadership and for his continued service to the art and to the art community especially. As a chairman of Sangeet Natak Academy, it's my privilege to inaugurate the 84th annual Bhagavat Mela Nataka Mahotsav, and my best wishes to the entire team of artists for greater success in the future. And on this stage, I promise that whatever I can do as a Sangeet Natak Academy chair to promote and propagate Bhagavat Mela, I will do my best. Finally, the Kalidas, Natyam Bhinna Ruchir Janasya Baudha Api Eka Samaradhanam. The Natya is that which gives satisfaction to everyone. So may this play of Bhagavat Mela satisfy all of us. Thank you very much.